guys, gals, and non-binary pals, your friend Professor Sex here for My Friends at Kink Crate, and today we're unpacking what's in your Full Bloom box. This is the Wisteria. The Wisteria is a faux leather collar with 7 adjustable sizes that starts at 14.5 inches in circumference and goes up to 19 inches. It also has a chrome D-ring. This includes a 30-inch chain lead with a matching handle. Like the Wisteria, and like you, this collar is more than meets the eye. Its beautiful pink and blue hues symbolize romance and new beginnings. The Wisteria flower grows on a vining shrub, the beauty of which is a marvel to any onlooker, but deceptively so. Wisteria will overpower all the plants in its vicinity, even choking out mighty trees where they stand. This collar beckons you and your submissive to embody the energy of the Wisteria, which not only represents love and creativity, but power and honor as well. Up next, we have the long stem rose. The long stem rose is a flogger 15 inches in total length. It's got 30 separate 9-inch suede tails and a 6-inch handle. It's like a nice handle. You can really feel this in your, I like the weight of this. Don't let the soft suede of this beauty fool you. Just like a rose, this too has a thorny bite. Roses symbolize both beauty and beast. They remind us to embrace the parts of us that are soft and sensual, along with the parts of us that are powerful and sharp. This flogger is excellent for sensation play as it delivers a thuddy massage-like stroke that finishes with a sting. Up next, the Morning Glory, cuffs and chain. The Morning Glory is a cuff set that has 5 adjustments, starting at 7.25 inches around and going up to 10.75 inches around. And it comes with this 6-inch chain that links the cuffs together on D-rings. So basically the size of this is it would fit a larger size wrist, or I can put it around my ankle at the widest setting. So you could use it for wrist or ankle cuffs depending on the size and shape of your body. Like the rose, the Morning Glory is a flower that embodies dualities. It's a large, beautiful bloom that grows on a twisting, climbing vine, reminding us to embrace the twists and turns of life and grow stronger because of them. These cuffs and chains call you to embrace the essence of this powerful plant. Like the vine of a Morning Glory, these faux leather cuffs wrap themselves around your submissive in a soft but strong hold, subduing them for your pleasure and theirs. Next we have the Honeysuckle. The Honeysuckle is a cock gag. It's 2.25 inch length on the cock with a 4-inch girth. It's got 8 adjustments from 17 to 24 inches, and the buckle has a little ring so you can lock it if you would like to put a padlock on this. Lock is not included. Once the honeysuckle is rooted in place, it can be a formidable challenge to remove it. Just like a true dungeon master, honeysuckle will dominate the entire garden with its sweet but chokingly powerful fragrance, making it impossible to ignore. This provocative device with its locking mechanism and anatomically specific gag is like the honeysuckle, a sweet and formidable tool for making sure your submissive has no question about who's in charge. What's really neat about this toy is that the cock gag part comes off. So let's say that you're not super keen on the anatomically correct cock part of this gag. You could find another mountable gag to slide in place on this strap. Or if you just really like this but don't want the strap, you could use the gag as a pacifier, which, depending on the type of role play you're into, could be a lot of fun. Last but definitely not least, we have the iris. The iris is a soft, silky mask made of nylon spandex material. Kind of think like shapewear for your face. The petals of an iris are large, soft, and satiny, just like this light pink mask. This soft face mask provides just the right amount of calming constriction in a satiny, luxurious texture. It genuinely feels like satiny undergarments. Despite its demure appearance, this mask leaves no room for wondering who's at the mercy of whom. In Greek mythology, Iris was the goddess of the rainbow. Embody the energy of Iris and command the worship of your eager submissive. That's all for this box. For more from me, head to ProfessorSex.com. To buy your own crate or subscribe for crate deliveries, head to kinkcrate.com. untightledchapter.com. We'll see y'all next time.